Hey everyone, welcome. Let's just dive right into this explainer. Today we're looking at an absolutely fascinating piece of craftsmanship from the folks over at the channel Silverzz. We're going to unpack how a beautifully crafted silver table Diya transforms from, well, just a physical object into a profound symbol of spiritual significance. We'll trace its whole journey, from pure metal to pure meaning. And honestly, I am so excited to share this with you all. Let's get started. All right, Section 1, the pure silver Diya, the physical foundation. You know, before any object can really hold spiritual weight, it has to physically exist first, right? And the way this specific lamp is constructed is our starting point. Take a look at that number, 999. In the world of metallurgy and jewelry, that is absolutely not just a random figure. As the source material highlights, this is a 999 pure silver oil lamp. That number, it represents the literal highest standard of pure silver used to craft the specific table Diya. We're not talking about silver plating or some low-grade alloy here. No way. This is 999 purity, which means it's exceptionally refined, giving the lamp its stunning, unblemished radiance. And seeing this really drives home the practical guarantees that come with that incredible level of purity. It's hallmarked, gift-ready, and made in India. So, the big takeaway here is that these physical specs guarantee an authenticated, super premium quality. The hallmark verifies that 999 purity we just talked about. The fact that it's made in India roots it in real, authentic local craftsmanship. And being gift-ready, well, that means this physical foundation isn't just meant to sit on your own shelf. It's designed from the ground up to be shared with the people you care about. Moving on to Section 2. South Indian Agal Vilakku, the cultural context. Because at the end of the day, a silver lamp is kind of just a piece of metal until you actually understand the tradition behind it. An Agal Vilakku is a traditional South Indian oil lamp, known for its meaningful and elegant design. By anchoring our explainer in this specific tradition, it completely shifts how we understand the object. It's not just a nice silver table Diya anymore. It's an Agal Vilakku. It carries the full weight of South Indian tradition. The source specifically emphasizes that it's meaningful and elegant, which tells us the design is intentional. It's crafted to be a revered cultural artifact, not just your run-of-the-mill household item. That brings us to Section 3, Sacred Spaces and Celebrations, Practical Utility. So, we've looked at the metal, and we've looked at the cultural roots. Now let's see how this timeless piece is actually used in practice. Look at the sheer versatility here. The source notes it's perfect for daily Pooja, Diwali, housewarmings, and religious gifting. Think about the spectrum we're looking at. Daily Pooja, that's a quiet, everyday routine. Diwali is this massive, vibrant, once-a-year festival of lights. And housewarmings are singular, major life milestones. By putting these all together, we can really see how this Agal Vilakku brilliantly bridges those ancient, quiet traditions with huge, modern celebratory events. It's pretty amazing. Which leads us directly to the core instruction from our source: light up your sacred space. Let's pause and think about why this matters. The cool thing about this practical utility is that the physical act of lighting the oil lamp is an active transformation. You aren't just flipping a switch on a modern light bulb, right? You're performing an action designed to transform any standard room into a dedicated, sacred space. The 999 pure silver holds the oil. The tradition dictates its form, but the utility, the actual physical act of lighting it, is what truly activates the space. And finally, Section 4, the gift of divine light, the spiritual culmination. As we enter this final phase, leaving the physical properties and everyday utility behind, we can really see the complete narrative arc of our object. On one side, we have the grounded, tangible traits. It's made in India, it's hallmarked for 999 purity, and it's gift-ready. But look at how that perfectly contrasts with, and actually supports, the intangible offerings on the other side. Divine light, blessings, and its status as a timeless piece. The physical foundation exists entirely to deliver these ethereal blessings. It's this beautiful duality that makes the object so incredibly special. And honestly, this is perfectly captured in a quote directly from the Silverzz channel: a timeless piece that brings divine light and blessings into your home. So the absolute crucial point here is how a purely physical object, just a piece of shaped silver, can carry such immense emotional and spiritual weight. It's not just about illuminating a dark corner of a room. It's about actively inviting divine light and blessings into your life and into the lives of the people you share it with. How will you bring timeless divine light into your own sacred space? We've unpacked the pure metallurgy, the rich cultural context, the daily utility, and the profound spiritual weight of the 999 pure Agal Vilakku. So now, I want to leave you with this lingering thought. As you consider the physical objects you choose to bring into your own home, how can you ensure they carry this kind of meaning? How are you going to cultivate and light up your own sacred spaces? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I really hope this sparked your curiosity and gave you a deeper appreciation for this beautiful tradition.